Here are 5 ways to get the TikTok promo icon visible on your TikTok account. In case you have not seen the TikTok promo icon on your own TikTok account, first of all, you need to understand that the promo icon is still at beta, meaning that TikTok is still bringing it out and it will take them time to get it to everyone, okay? For some of my accounts, my newest accounts, I just got to have them yesterday, okay? So you might be patient if you follow these 5 steps or 6 steps that I will be outlining now and it doesn't work for you. So number 1, ensure you are not using the TikTok Lite. Let me show you from the Play Store. I click here, search for TikTok Lite. Now this particular version of TikTok Lite, ensure you are not using it, okay? Although some people use it and still find the TikTok promo feature on their own account, okay? But in most cases, if you are using this version of TikTok, you might not find it. Secondly, if you are not finding the TikTok promo feature on your own TikTok account, if you are sure you are using the main TikTok app, what you do next is get to your TikTok app, press and hold it for these options to come up. Then go to App Info. When you click on App Info, go to Storage and Cache. Then you will see Clear Storage and then you see Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache. Okay. When you've done that, go and check again if the TikTok promo icon is visible now on your account. If that still doesn't happen, the next to do is go and update your TikTok app. Okay, go update your TikTok app. That's the third thing. Go update your TikTok app. After updating it, go log in, check again and see if the icon is visible. Now, if this third option does not work, the next option you might want to try is to reinstall your TikTok app. Okay, what it means is that you are going to uninstall and then install afresh. Okay, when you do that, you check again if you can find the TikTok promo icon. If you still can't find it, the next thing you will do, log into your TikTok account, enter your account, then go to your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to click up here, the 3 lines up there. Then you want to go to TikTok Studio. Now the promo icon is visible here, okay? But if your own is not visible, what you will do at this point is to screenshot those places. So I screenshot it, okay? Having done that, return to your profile area, then click on the 3 lines again and go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll to the last part to see Report a Problem. Click on Report a Problem. Now when it opens, scroll down, you will see Submit a Report. Click on Submit a Report. Now inside the space now, write TikTok to request for them to add the promo feature on your TikTok account. So I can write, "Good day, TikTok team. Please, I can't seem to find the promo icon, or rather the promo feature on my account. Kindly assist." Attached herewith is a screenshot evidence. Now click on the picture element to add the screenshot. Allow it to add. Now it has added, okay? You can add up to 4 images, okay? At this point, you can now submit. I'm not going to submit because I have it already on my own, okay? So this is the 4th or the 5th thing to do. Allow TikTok and they will be able to get it on your own TikTok account, okay? Now, the last thing you might want to do if none of these options worked is to get another phone and open a new TikTok on that phone, okay? Remember, you can run TikTok ad even with 0 followers, okay? Now look at this person, he told me he doesn't have it. I told him a few things to do, and then what he finally did was to use another phone. He said, all right, I tried with another phone, it shows now. Okay, so I said, great, same account. Then he says, no, new account again. Okay, so it's free to open a TikTok account, and as you can see here, he says he opened a new TikTok account, and yet it has the TikTok promo icon. Okay, so it shows that you can have TikTok promo icon even from day one of your account without any follower on that account. So these are simple ways you can go about getting the TikTok promo icon visible on your own TikTok account. If you now want to learn how to run TikTok ad, target a particular audience, spend less while running the ad, and other things about TikTok ad, then let me know in the comment section and I will share a video with you that will guide you as to how to do that. If you like this video, do follow me for more.